Ever stared at a math problem that just broke your brain? Like it looked so simple, but then it just spiraled? Yeah, this one. It looks like a typo, right? Today, we're going to unravel this beast step by step. So, we have x to the power of x to the power of x equals x to the power of x. Our mission? To find out what x is. Now, the first thing you might think is, can I just cancel out the x's? And in some cases, you can. But here, we have exponents on exponents, which changes things. Let's consider a crucial step. If x is not 0, we can divide both sides by x to the power of x. This leaves us with x to the power of x equals x. Now, this looks much more manageable, doesn't it? We're getting somewhere. What value of x makes this true? If x to the x equals x to the first power, the exponents must match. X equals 1. Let's check it. 1 to the power of 1 to the power of 1 is 1, and 1 to the 1 is 1. It works. The wildest exponent puzzle solved.